Whether you're in a business where you are doing B2C, business to consumer, or B2B, business to business, all of us, we all have somebody that we label as a customer, as a consumer, as a client. Every single week, every single month, at the end of the year, you've got to evaluate yourself when it comes to your customer retention. You have to ask yourself, what are all the steps that I have done, that I am doing to retain my customer? It's always important to go out and bring new customers to the table, to take your business to the next level. But at a minimum, you've got to find a way to retain the customers you have, or else you're going to find yourself being a hamster in a wheel that's just going out and just bringing more and more customers to the table, and you're putting them in one pocket, and then the very next day, very next month, the very next year, they're leaking out of the pocket, and you're finding yourself in this struggle of like, man, I'm not going anywhere. And the reason is because you're not finding a way to retain your customers. So whatever CRM system that you have, text messages, phone calls, emails, just the traditional mail, whatever the method is for you to be in touch with your customer, find a way where you stay in front of them, find a way to win them back if you've lost them, find a way to cross-sell even other products and other services to them, but ultimately find a way where you can measure the number of customers you are retaining from whatever your sales cycle is, from 1 week to the next week, from 1 month to the next month, one year to the next year. And also, in addition to that, those are the same customers that are going to put you in a position to increase your customer base by having more referrals coming back to you. So at all times, keep your current customers, your past customers in mind, and find a way to retain them.